When your kid rolls their eyes and says, "whatever," after you've told them no, your first instinct is probably to correct them right away. But here's the problem. Every time you explain yourself in that moment, things actually get worse. You're not stopping the backtalk, you're training it. There's a simple 3-second rule that stops backtalk. When kids talk back, they're usually already emotionally fired up. And when that happens, their logical brain isn't really online. So long explanations, reasons, rules, or emotional responses don't calm them down. They escalate things. That's how the same argument keeps repeating over and over again. You've probably heard your kids say this before. "You're the worst. This is so unfair. Everyone else's parents let them." Here's what to do instead. When your kid talks back or is being disrespectful, pause for a second to calm yourself. Then say one short, neutral sentence. No explaining, no lecturing, no emotion. Keep it under 3 seconds. Here are a few examples. Try again respectfully. "I'll listen when you're calm." That tone doesn't work. And here's the key thing to remember. The magic isn't the exact words. It's that your response is short, neutral, and the same every single time. When you respond this way every single time, your child's brain starts to learn something important. Talking back doesn't work. It doesn't start a debate. It doesn't change the answer. And over time, the behavior fades, not because you yelled louder or explained better, but because calm, respectful communication becomes the only thing that actually works. Here are a few more phrases you can use depending on the situation. Parenting is hard. If you want more simple tools like this, you can subscribe. I'm glad you're here.